When you're dealing with chronic heel pain, one possible culprit is plantar fasciitis. It's a regular foot injury that can lead to stabbing pain in the bottom of your foot near the heel. It sometimes fixes on its own, but there are some easy home remedies that also help. Stay tuned to parshealthtv to know more. What to know about plantar fasciitis? Plantar fasciitis is usually an overuse injury, generally from sports-related activities that involve jumping or running. It also may trace back to irregular foot mechanics or poor footwear options. Usually, you'll feel discomfort upon initial weight bearing in the bottom of your foot. Occasionally that will happen first thing in the morning when you get up. Other aspects that can boost your risk of developing plantar fasciitis are: age. It's more common between the ages of 35 and 55. Obesity. Extra weight can put excessive stress on the plantar fascia and cause pain. Prolonged standing. Standing on hard surfaces for hours or longer can injure the tissue and lead to chronic pain. Home remedies for plantar fasciitis. Easy home remedies can usually fix plantar fasciitis, particularly if you catch it early. But it may take longer to cure if it has aggravated over time. Plantar fasciitis can go away after you stretch your foot out and walk around for a while. But for some patients, prolonged standing or sitting may worsen it again. It's bearing the whole amount of your body weight, and that can cause delayed rehab. Try these simple tips for relief. Number 4. Wear proper footwear. Ensure you get a good fit, and do not wear flat shoes that lack support. Instead, wear proper shoes to fit your actual foot and biomechanics. Arch supports may help some individuals. It has also been advised to not walk barefoot around the house. This can put extra stress on the tissue in the bottom of the foot even more. Instead, choose running shoes or sneakers, something with natural arch support, so they don't deform that tissue and chronically stretch and irritate it. Number 3. Ice your feet. Roll your foot over a frozen water bottle for 7 minutes, or hold an ice pack over the bottom of your foot for 10 minutes. You can do this 3 times a day. Also, utilize the ice treatment after any strenuous exercise or extended periods of standing or sitting. Number 2. Wear a splint. For more severe cases, you should use a night splint to brace your foot and ankle in the correct position when you sleep. Night splints will stretch the plantar fascia and help relieve the pain. Number 1. Rest and stretch. If overuse is the potential cause of your pain, rest is one key to recovery. And it's a perfect idea to couple that with everyday stretching movements. Foot activities let you keep the plantar fascia from pulling and tightening up, so it's better able to bear your weight when you get moving again. Keep watching to learn these 5 stretches to ease plantar fasciitis pain. Number 5. Calf stretch. Muscle soreness in the feet and calves can make plantar fasciitis more aggravated. Loosening the calf muscles can ease the pain. Individuals can try doing a calf stretch, which involves these steps. Place the hands against a wall. Straighten the knee of the painful leg and flex the other knee in front. Hold both feet flat on the floor. Maintain the stretch for 15 seconds. Repeat the stretch 3 times a day. Number 4. Rolling stretch. Putting a round object under the foot and rolling it back and forward can strengthen the foot muscles. For this activity, you can utilize a golf ball, rolling pin, or specialized foam roller. Numerous sports stores and online retailers sell foam foot rollers. Another alternative is to use a frozen water bottle for arch rolls. This method may be especially beneficial because the cold surface of the bottle can decrease inflammation. This easy activity stretches the foot. Sit tall on a chair or your bed. Put a ball or another rollable object under your foot. Roll the object back and forward for 1 minute. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 3. Seated foot stretch. You can also loosen muscle tightness in the plantar fascia by utilizing a seated foot stretch. They can do this activity by following these steps. First, sit on a chair and cross the damaged heel over the opposite leg. Pull your toes toward your shin to create tension in the arch of your foot. Position the other hand on the bottom of your foot to feel the tension in the plantar fascia. Keep for 15 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Number 2. Towel curls. Curling a hand towel or washcloth with the toes can stretch the foot and strengthen calf muscles. Patients find it helpful to do these stretches before walking or doing other morning tasks. The activity involves these steps. Sit on a chair with both feet flat and put a small towel in front of your feet. Grab the center of the towel with your toes. Curl the towel toward your heels. Loosen the foot and repeat 3 times. Number 1. Marble pickups. Picking up a marble with your toes will bend and stretch your foot muscles. You can try these steps. Sit on a chair with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Put a handful of marbles on the ground. Pick up 1 marble at a time by curling the toes. Repeat this activity 20 times. If your discomfort continues, you should talk to your healthcare provider or your doctor. If home remedies aren't working, get help. Your doctor can ensure the discomfort you're feeling is from plantar fasciitis and further advise you if it isn't. That's the tricky thing, as other factors can also lead to pain in the bottom of your feet. So if you are still feeling the ache in this area after working on loosening it for a few days, call your doctor. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your experiences with heel pain with us. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.